Action.
Okay, my name is Haley Sandberg, and I'm the coordinator of the Children at Risk Task Force. And I coordinated the Children at Risk Task Force cross training this year. And I found out about Travis Lloyd and his music and his poetry through the Elevate and Dream Team here in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And I first heard his music online, and I was very moved and touched by the words and the lyrics of his songs, and I got goosebumps when I heard it, and I knew that this would just be a great opportunity. It's a completely different experience for most of the people that have attended this training on a regular basis. I knew it would be something new and unique and different, and I was really excited about being able to offer it to my participants. And I was not disappointed at all. When Travis and Dante started to perform, again, I got goosebumps. The hair on my arm started to stand up, and I definitely had tears in my eyes just listening to the words. It's very powerful, very moving, and I can hear the children's voices when I hear those lyrics, and I hear his voice, and I hear the parents in those lyrics and those words, and it's just very moving. And Travis talks a lot about do you hear the message, and I definitely heard the message, and I know that the participants of this training heard that message as well. We've had a lot of great response from it, and I was very excited that we were able to offer it to our participants this year.